GoldBreakoutPro is an automated breakout trading bot designed for XAUUSD. In this video, I'll briefly show you how the strategy works, how the main parameters can be configured, and what the historical backtests look like. The basic idea behind GoldBreakoutPro is quite simple. The bot looks for price breaking out of a recent high or low range. When price moves beyond that range, the bot can enter a trade in the direction of the breakout. The strategy also uses ATR, or average true range, to measure market volatility and to determine the stop-loss and take-profit distances. The bot exposes several parameters that can be adjusted by the user. The lookback parameter controls how much historical price data is used to define the breakout range. ATR period and the ATR minimum filter are used to account for market volatility. The entry offset determines how far price has to move beyond the breakout level before an entry is triggered. And the stop-loss and take-profit distances are expressed as multiples of ATR. One important part of the bot is position sizing. Instead of requiring the user to specify a fixed number of lots, the bot calculates the position size from the selected risk percentage and the current account equity. For example, with a 1% risk setting, the position size is calculated so that the distance to the stop-loss represents approximately 1% of the account equity. This means the position size automatically adapts as the account grows or declines. The actual loss can still differ because of market conditions, execution, and slippage, so this should be treated as a target risk level rather than a guaranteed loss limit. Let's look at an example. Here, price has been trading within a relatively defined range. The previous highs form the breakout level. Once price closes beyond the breakout threshold, the conditions for a long entry are satisfied. The bot then places the trade using the calculated stop-loss and take-profit levels. Of course, a few example trades don't tell us whether a strategy works over a longer period. So let's look at a historical backtest. This test uses XAUUSD data over the period shown here. The backtester shows the total number of trades, the win rate, net profit, drawdown, and the resulting equity curve. These results are historical backtest results and are not a guarantee of future performance. Actual results can differ because of spreads, commissions, slippage, execution, and changing market conditions. What I find particularly useful here is the equity curve. You can see how the strategy performed throughout the tested period rather than looking only at the final profit number. There are profitable periods as well as drawdowns, which is something that should always be considered when evaluating an automated trading strategy. The main parameters can be adjusted to suit different preferences and testing requirements. The default settings are intended as a starting point, not as a promise of future performance. As with any automated trading system, I recommend testing the bot on a demo account before using real money. GoldBreakoutPro is available through the MQL5 store. You can find the full description, parameters, backtesting information, and product details on the store page. If you're interested in trying the strategy, please make sure you understand the risks involved with automated trading and test it with an account size and risk level you're comfortable with.